Guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm kind of just in my cozy hoodie. It's my Just Strong hoodie. I'll talk about that in a second. And it's kind of a rainy and really dreary day outside, and I'm just in the mood to do some decluttering. So I thought today's video we could declutter my makeup bags. So I have this huge giant bag full of makeup bags that I just need to go through. I don't use probably 90% of them, and I just don't need this many. So we're just going to go through them. But before I do, I just want to talk about my hoodie here. It's from a brand called Just Strong. It's a brand I just recently, a couple months ago, connected with and became a brand ambassador for. Their brand is pretty much all activewear that is to empower women to be strong through all walks of life. I really like their message. I really like the clothes they have. Everything I've got from them have been super good quality. The hoodie I wear literally every day. It is so comfortable. I have a pair of sweatpants that I love to wear every day. They're a little heavy for me to work out in, but their leggings are amazing for working out. They're so comfortable and so soft. And I think a couple pair actually have pockets to put your phone. Don't quote me on that. I just feel like I saw that. I haven't ordered some things in them in a little bit, but so far everything I've got I absolutely love, and they're not super expensive, and they're definitely worth the price. Their quality of clothing is so great. It's all high quality, and it's super comfortable. I've washed this hoodie like a million times already, and it's not shrunk. It's super soft still. It's really, really comfortable, like I said, and I just love wearing it, especially on days like this where it's all dreary and rainy outside. It just makes me feel so cozy and comfortable. So I'll leave a link down below. This video is not sponsored by them at all. I just wanted to talk about it for a second because I wear this hoodie a lot in my videos, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's just jump right into this. So I'll probably just leave the bag on the floor and pull them out as I go. I think that might be best. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So here's a little pile. Okay, this one I've had for a while. Where did I get this? I think I got this from my grandma, actually. It's from the brand Basics, and it's yellow and white, and it's got little blue tulips on it. I actually really like this. I don't know, it reminds me, it looks like a really old-fashioned print, and I really like it, and it's kind of stained up, but I really like this, and I honestly use it a good bit. And I don't just use makeup bags for my makeup. I keep I used this one for a long time as a pencil case in my backpack, so I'm definitely going to keep this one. This one I'm also going to keep because I just got it for Christmas, and I haven't got a chance to use it, but it's super cute. I'm not sure the brand. My stepmom got it for me for Christmas, like I said, and it has little Minnie Mouse ears, and it's super cute, and I love it, so that's gonna stay. This one can honestly probably go. I really like it. I think it's super cute, but I mean, I just don't really have anything to keep in this besides change, so I might see if my grandma wants it to keep her change in. I just don't use it. Alright, so now we're getting into mainly my Ipsy bags. This one is orange, and it's got roses all over it. It's a pretty print, but it's not the one I reached for, so I'm going to pass this one on. This is another one from Ipsy. I do really like the print. It's like a velvet kind of feel, but again, I just don't reach for it. So I think this one's going to go too. This one I just recently got from my stepmom. She's getting Ipsy now. I don't really get Ipsy anymore, but she does, and she gives me all of her bags because she doesn't use them. So this is white with light blue-ish navy stripes, and I think it's super cute. So I'll keep that one as well. And this one can go. This one, actually no, I'll keep this because if I were to ever go on an airplane, which will probably be never, but just for travel, this is a good size one that I could keep like all my makeup in that I take. So I'll keep that one. Okay. Next pile. This one is my Sephora one that I really like. I actually keep a lot of stuff in it as well, so I'll keep it. I actually just emptied it out for this video. This one is another Ipsy one, and I really like it, but again, I just don't reach for it. It's got like lace up here. It looks super cute, but I'm just going to get rid of this one. This one is like a holographic blue, I guess, or like, I don't know how to describe it. It's super pretty, but I don't like how this zipper goes right here and it's not on the top, so I'm gonna pass that one along. This one can go too. It's like a peachy pink and a yellow print Ipsy bag. It's kind of plain, I don't reach for it either. This one I'm gonna get rid of. It's a black one with little studs, it looks like, and then it's like navy blue on the inside, or red, like a royal blue. So it can go. I don't reach for it. Oh, this one I forgot I had. Hope there's nothing in it. No. This one can go just because I forgot about it and I'm never going to use it probably. It's from Clinique. I just don't use this shape. Like, I prefer the little bags instead of ones like this. This one I'm going to give to my grandma Judy because it's it was the one from Ipsy that you could color, and I never colored it, and I feel like she would enjoy doing that. So I'm going to pass this along to her because she loves doing those coloring things. I'm actually almost done. There wasn't as many as I thought. There's trash at the bottom of it though. Is that going to come out? Yes. I think it did. Okay. So this big one I am going to keep. It's really good for like storage stuff. And one of my good friends, Ty, actually got me this for Christmas like 2 years ago. And it came with a lot of things in it, like a lot of makeup bags that I actually use most. Like one of them I have all my makeup in the bathroom right now. And it's just really good storage, and if I were to need it for like an airplane or anything, if I ever were to go on one, which I doubt, that works. This one I actually really like. It's an Ipsy bag, and it's got like a map across the back, kind of. Well, I guess it's more like stamps and stuff, and I really like this one, so it's going to stay. This one can probably go. It's just like gray on the inside, and then it's got like a blue with like a whole print that I don't use. This one I really like. It can stay. It's like silver and it's got sparkles, and then it's a like seafoam green on the inside. This is my favorite one, and I know I just said I don't like this shape of bag, which I really don't, but this is honestly my favorite bag that I've ever got from Ipsy. It's got a little egg on it and then a little egg butt on the back, and I really love it. It's my favorite, so it's going to stay. This one I'm probably going to keep too. It says wild and free. I don't know, I really like this bag. It's like an ombre pinkish purple. This one can go. It's like a blue with a bright green and pink stripe down it. It's like a meshy material. I don't use it again. This one can go. I think this came with samples in it for my grandma. It was like a poise pad bag. I don't use it, so it can go. And this one, again, I'll keep just for like my travel things when I travel, because it just holds those. So yeah, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I kept 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. I kept 11 out of 22. So I got rid of like half. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty proud of that. I probably will find more later on, and I'll go back through and do all this again. And like this one I might end up getting rid of during the future. I just kept it because it's a bigger one, and I don't, like, it's good for travel, like I said. So I'll see, like, as time goes on, which ones I actually end up using and which ones I don't. And if I notice I'm not using certain ones, then they can just go, and I'll add to the pile. So, yep, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I'll leave the link to Just Strong down in the description box below if you want to check it out. And I think that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.